Have you ever found any tools missing from your toolbars in Clip Studio Paint? Well, it happens to me many times. Let's take the text tool for example. Sometimes when I do a design like this, I need different fonts, font sizes, and styles. So I ended up creating many subtools. One subtool, two subtools, three subtools. And then I found it's too much, I need to delete them. So I started deleting them one by one. Delete, delete, delete. And finally, sometimes I got carried away and I deleted the very last subtool. You know, you shouldn't be doing this. If you do this, you know what will happen. Boom, this text tool disappeared completely from the toolbar. And when the first time this happened to me, I was totally freaked out and I checked every drop-down menu looking for the text tool and didn't find it. Finally, I figured out all you need to do is to click here, this three dash icon on the upper left corner. Let me show you. Use a screen magnifier. Let me show you. Here, right here, under File, this three dash icon. So all you need to do is click here and add from default and scroll down and click text. Okay, boom, your text tool is back. And just in case you're curious, this image is from our Garden Little Lamb series illustrations. So you can actually put it in your phone as a screen lock picture, which is super cute. We have a bunch of them. And if you're interested, just check the description below for more information. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.